Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on Porus. Now Porus is a town that's on the main road between Maypen and Mandeville. But what happened is the highway opened up with a new leg from Maypen to Mandeville. So as a result of that, the traffic that goes through the town of Porus has decreased. And to make matters worse, you don't have to pay toll on the Maypen to Mandeville leg of the highway. So as a result of that, Porus is becoming like a ghost town now. It has seen serious economic fallout. And the highway was opened last year, well actually no, 2023. And since then they have not been able to, they have not charged toll, I should say. And now, although toll plaza is built on the highway in toll gate, they are not charging toll because the government paid to build the road, 188 million US. This is the toll road. But Trans Jamaica Highway has a concession to collect toll on the entire highway 2000. So the government wanted Trans Jamaica Highway to buy the highway from them or repay them for the construction cost of 188 million, but Trans Jamaica Highway is not interested in doing that. So as a result, no toll is being collected on the road. Now as a result of that, small towns like Clarendon Park and especially Porus are seeing serious economic fallout. Now there is no exit or entrance ramp to the highway for Porus from the highway. You can access Porus when heading towards Maypen on the Melrose Hill bypass, which is not a toll road. But once you're on the highway heading from Kingston to Mandeville, there is no exit for Porus. You'd have to go exit onto the Melrose Hill bypass, go all the way up to Williamsfield by the roundabout and come back down the bypass. Now if an exit was built for Porus, or proper exit and entrance ramp, it would make a huge difference. It could put Porus on the map. It would increase the amount of people traveling to Porus. As to why no entrance or exit to Porus is from the highway, has no access to Porus from the highway, I'm not sure, but it's something they can definitely look at. But what business people in Porus are hoping is that when they start to charge toll, a lot of the commuters will return to using the old road instead of paying the toll. So they are holding out until then. This is the actual town of Porus now. As you can see, almost like a ghost town. This used to be a very busy road. The businesses on the road used to do extremely well. This was a main road. So they are hoping that once they start to charge toll, a lot of the traffic will return to Porus. However, there is no date as to when they're going to start charging toll because negotiations are ongoing between NROC, which represents the government, and Trans Jamaica Highway, who has the concession. Alright guys, we will keep you guys updated. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.